Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm making some really good progress on the 68. Things are getting pretty interesting, making some good progress. If you ever wanted to make some mind-blowing fabrication, I'm going to show you the biggest trick you need to know. I'm going to box in both cab corners. That way it'll give the cab a lot more strength and I can weld my floor onto it. Let me show you how I'm gonna do that. I'm using cardboard to get my pattern so I can transfer it over to some metal. When you're fabricating, cardboard is your best friend. It's a great trick to know. It makes things much easier. With my cardboard stencil, it was easy to translate it over to some metal. Now I just have to install it. This is pretty exciting. It's the first piece of the new floor. If we come around here, I'll show you guys something. So this is the original floor, and you can see there's bends everywhere, and that's to add strength. So with the roll cage and that floor, this is gonna be really stiff and strong. It won't have any flex whatsoever. Now I have to bend this piece so that I can connect the rest of my floor at the height I want. There's a huge difference between the floor now and what it looked like before. The old floor was too far gone. There's no way I was going to be able to bring that back to life. The floor doesn't go all the way across as one piece, just because I'm going to be installing a removable tunnel. That way I can service the back of the engine and the transmission with ease. I will be making my own racing seats for the interior. That's going to be really interesting to see how they turn out. And also the dash is going to be 100% custom made. I'll probably make it out of aluminum. The floor and the roll cage will be gray and the rest of the cab is going to be white. I really want to make the roll cage fit nicely and snug, just so that it doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. For new viewers, I highly recommend you go watch my previous videos about this build. You'll see exactly how rotten it was, and you won't believe the transformation it's already gone through, even though it's not finished. And if you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe for a lot more content. With that being said, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.